Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change log retention days on GitHub. So if you want to change how long it takes for your artifacts and your logs to be retained on GitHub repository, let me show you how to change that. So go ahead and click on your repository, then click on its settings on the top right here. Then go down to where it says actions and click on general. Under the general section, you'll have artifact and log retention. And as you can see, by default, it is set to 90 days. So if you want to change that to, for example, 30 days, you can. Keep in mind that the maximum number of days is 90, and so you can't put it more. So if I try to say change that to 180 days, you will see that it says duration must be 90 days or less. So no more than that. So let's say I want to set it for 30 days, 1 month, or 31 days. Let's use that. Then click on save. That should work. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and change artifact and log retention dates for your logs in your repository on GitHub. Very easy and very simple.